Welcome everyone. Here's a quick look at some cool little practical wargaming tools. The Ready to Bot. This is a TV show, movie thing, build, swap, and battle. So you can take these apart. I've just unboxed these, and you can see the total unboxing video online if you're interested. But here we have our first figure, which I put the rocket on and everything else. This is Hype Man. Let's get in there and show you his face. And you can see the cool things he has. And of course, these are articulated. You can move them, you can bend them, etc. To position your rocket. You have to put the rocket on the back, which all of these press together, and that's the nice thing about them, is that you can swap out the arms, the legs, even the figures, and make your own custom battling. But what's cool is they got these little rockets that come in these packs. This was a 2-pack, which you get one mystery one, which was basically what we're talking about here, Mad Scientist. Let's take a look at him. And this is what his actual bot looks like. Has these kind of almost insectoid type feet. And it has these unusual arms. And again, remember, all these just pop out. They press in. This is something that's becoming popular now, even with Masters of the Universe stuff. And then you can just push them back in or trade them out with something else and make your own. And that's what this is about as well, is kind of building your own special robot. And of course, it comes with this container here, which also serves as a stand, as I have it up right now. So you can kind of, once you take in, this is where all the pieces, or at least for the mystery bot, they're all stuck in here in different bags. They come in many bags, which you have to open up, put together, kind of giving you that unwrapping Christmas feel, which is very popular now. And so this gives you a good idea. Here's Mad Scientist. That's what he looks like. That's what the figure looks like. That's what the body looks like. And of course, we've got the actual, see if I can prop him up so you can see his face a little better, if the need be. But that's Hype Man. And again, you can take these out as well. Each one of the figures pops out. You can see there's little pegs at the bottom, and they have little peg holes on the bottom. So if you want to put your particular favorite figure in a particular bot that you actually put together, you just do that by sticking this in here and pressing it down. But these are soft plastic, and you're going into hard, so you have to get them aligned just right. And it's hard to do that with the actual camera sticking in front of me. You kind of press them down on there. There we go, and you've got it there. Oops. So here we go again with all that, and as I said, you get this cool little display stand. I'm sure you could integrate that in. For serious war gamers, we're going to be using all these, including things like those Zurus here, and physical combat shooting at each other by rules and games, etc. So do stay tuned for that, and do stay tuned for my numerous reviews on catapult and shooting type games that you use. So watch for that. If you like this, make sure you are subscribing and that you like it if you want to see lots more of these. You're going to see in-depth, intelligent, adult reviews of toys in a serious manner instead of some kid that So if you like well, you're probably not the reason here for anyway. So get out there and support us by doing that, and stay tuned for many more reviews.